Hi there, I'm Simon. Today we are going to show you how to test and replace the drain hose on your LG dishwasher. If your dishwasher isn't draining properly, water is pooling at the bottom, or you notice leaks, it might be time to take a closer look at the drain hose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started and bring the dishwasher back to its peak performance. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a Flatblade screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver, a pair of Needlenose pliers, and a pair of adjustable pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. The drain hose connects the air guide assembly on the left side of the dishwasher to the air gap under the sink. The drain hose could be kinked behind the dishwasher or under the sink. Also, the common thing is the plugged up hose where it connects to the air gap. Pull the air gap cover off. Unscrew the air gap lock nut. If it's hard to turn, use the pliers. And push the air gap through the counter. Then get under the sink and using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Check both the hose and the air gap for debris and clean the clog if any are found. But if there's no debris is found, place the hose into the container and open the dishwasher's door. Locate two mounting brackets at the top and using a Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws. Pull out the dishwasher. If the water inlet hose is too short, use an adjustable wrench to unscrew it from the faucet. And check the drain hose at the back. If it's kinked or deformed, the best is to replace it. Slide the clamp off the drain hose. Open the door and using the needle nose pliers, carefully not to break, turn the water grill inlet counterclockwise to free it. Pull the air guide assembly out and up to remove it from both hoses. Slide the drain hose out of the bracket, turn the dishwasher, and get to the drain hose outlet at the back. Use a flatblade screwdriver to press in the sides of the plastic holder and pull it out with your right hand from inside the dishwasher. Note where on the hose the holder was mounted. We will install it on the new hose at the same spot. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the drain hose into the cutout at the back of the dishwasher, and then we need to install the lug bracket on this particular spot. So we're gonna put it through the inside, push it down on the hose, and then push that lug bracket through the opening to lock the three locking tabs. Install the drain hose into the opening in the mounting bracket. Push down the air guide assembly over the hoses. Make sure that they're in all the way. Then open the door, push in the air guide assembly in and install the grill from inside the dishwasher. Turn it clockwise. Use the needle nose pliers to tighten it. Again, be nice to it, don't break it. Thread the new drain hose, the power cord, and the water supply line through the divider. Cut shorter the drain hose to fit the air gap. Slide the clamp on and reconnect the hose to the air gap. Install the air gap through the counter and secure it with a nut. Place the cover on. Reconnect the water supply line and tighten it with the adjustable wrench. Slide the dishwasher under the counter and secure the top brackets to the cabinet with a couple of Phillips screws and open the faucet. Check for leaks and plug it in. Great job tackling your dishwasher drain issue. We hope this guide helped you get your LG beauty back in action. Share your repair experience with us in the comments. We are eager to hear how it went. If you are in need of a new drain hose or any other parts, visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number handy. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, ensuring you won't have to wait long to complete your repair. Thank you for trusting us to guide you, and we look forward to supporting you on your next DIY journey.